Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants, and I'm happy to follow up with George for his 1 year follow up. George, I love how you're styling this hair. Tell me, how has this past year been for you?
It's just been amazing. I mean, the hair has just changed my life. Just my everyday interaction with people, my family, my friends. It's amazing. Uh, my dating scene has increased.
I
mean,
bet.
this is incredible. And Dr. Rose has just been so special to me and has done such a great job that I couldn't ask for any more than what I have. And I'm lost for words. I mean, I'm just amazed. And my family and friends, as I said, are just amazed as well. So
So thrilled. So thrilled for you.
so happy. It's just a life changing decision I made, and they made me feel comfortable. I mean, the surgery was great. Everybody there was just incredible, and I would recommend them to any of my friends or anybody that even asked me.
Awesome. Awesome. Of course, we really enjoyed having you with us.
One more thing is I was completely bald. I'm sure you'll see the before and after pictures, but it's just amazing. I mean, I had no hair at all, and to have what I have now is just incredible.
I mean, you look so youthful and it's natural. The hairline still fits your face. We will show the different views so people will be able to see that. But yeah, I'm thrilled. You had great donor hair, which helped us out. But it was a long procedure. We got you a ton of hair.
But it was so comfortable, and you guys were just so awesome with me. And, we made it, it just turned out to be just such a joy even having the surgery. So I couldn't ask for anything better.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for following up and for sharing your journey with us. And, it really is a remarkable one.
Yes, thank you very much, Dr. Rose.
Anytime, George.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.